Hey guys, welcome to Stability Before Strength. My name is Oscar and I'll be your guide through this 13-week training plan. This is week 2, day 3, and this workout burns between 812 to 941 calories. We are going to start with the warm-up routine. Here's the list of all the warm-up drills. You can click on the link to start the warm-up and then come back for part 2. Today's running workout will continue to develop our aerobic base by running for 30 to 60 minutes or 4 to 8 miles at an easy, comfortable pace. For a more accurate way of knowing what pace you should be running, click on the following link and it will show you different training paces and intensities that are specific to you based on your last race you ran. This gives you an advantage in your training because it gives you specific training guidelines for different intensities, so you're not guessing what pace you should be running at. As soon as you're done with today's running workout, go into a cooldown routine since there's no part 3 for today. And phase 1, there is no exercise workout for day 3, day 6, and day 7. Use this time to rest and recover or perform more stretches to help keep your body healthy and injury-free. Concentrate on areas that you feel need improvement. You can use the running stretches found in the cooldown routine and increase the amount of time spent on each stretch to 30 to 60 seconds or perform each stretch 3 to 4 times. Here's the list of all the stretches that are included in this routine. You can click on the link to guide you through all the stretches. That's it for today. Remember that this is phase 1 and that each phase lasts 3 weeks for a total of 13 weeks before the half marathon. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative. See you guys later.